Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add Visa gift card to Cash App. So first you need to do, this is a process that you need to follow. You need to enter at least $1 and tap pay from your home screen, and then you simply need to toggle payment, tap to gift card, and then you simply need to select the merchant. So you simply need to select the Visa gift card from here, and then you simply need to tap your recipient if you want to send someone, and here you can add current phone number or email address, enter an optional note in the for field to describe the payment, select a payment source, and then you simply need to tap next. And here is the demonstration that you need to follow. You need to add the balance like this, $1, click on pay. You simply need to select gift card. You simply need to select Visa gift card, and you need to send. And by the same way, you add that into your Cash App. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.